Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Honda HR-V key fob. Start by folding out the metal key and locating the seam along the fob edge. Insert a small flathead or plastic pry tool into the seam and twist gently until the case pops open. Remove the battery carefully and note its orientation for replacement. Keep screws and springs in a safe spot and reassemble by snapping the halves back together securely. When replacing the battery, first verify the model number on the cell so you get the correct replacement. Use tweezers to lift the battery out gently, avoiding contact with other internal components. Note the plus and orientation and seat the new battery in the same way. Test the fob by pressing a button before snapping the case closed to confirm proper connection and operation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy how-to videos. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with practical savings from simple car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy if interested. And now let's get back to the video. If your key fob does not respond after a battery swap, try the quick reprogram sequence for your Honda HR-V to re-establish communication. Sit in the car, close doors, and follow the vehicle steps to cycle ignition and press buttons as required. If that does not fix it, consult the owner manual or contact a dealer for transponder key support. Keep a spare fob battery handy for future convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.